Hello everyone, my name is Zeno and today we are going to speak about the Galaxy S10 and we are going to focus on three things: the performance, the camera and the price. Let's jump into it. So now let's speak about the performance. It's the most important thing if you are just trying to find the best gaming performance like Fortnite and PUBG. So here you could see the Galaxy S10 is not very different from iPhone X. So whatever you have iPhone X or Galaxy S10, it doesn't do a lot of change in the performance. And yeah, of course, you could see the Galaxy S10 is the best choice if you are gonna buy one of them. And in the buying side, if you are just want to move from S9 to S10, you may just sell your S9 and buy the S10 because there is a huge difference between them. They just added a lot of things, like the single core has just been doubled, and also the multi-core has just added almost 20% or more, and that's great. And try to sell your S9 and buy the S10. Let's move to the next thing about the camera. So you are just searching for the camera, you don't care about anything, just the camera. So let's jump to that. S10 Lite has one front camera and two rear cameras. S10 has one front camera and three rear cameras. S10 Plus has two front camera and three rear cameras. Now you have to make your choice what to choose. Firstly, if you are just gonna have a less budget in your pocket, you may just choose S10 Lite, but sadly you will don't access the third rear camera, which is actually great, and I never seen that before, three rear cameras. So if you are just looking for the rear cameras, you will better buy the S10. And also, if you are looking for great selfies with your friends and with yourself, you will better choose S10 Plus because it has two front cameras and three rear cameras. And that's it. And this is the last one, the pricing. I don't have anything to say because it depends on your budget and depends on your choices, because the more you pay, the more storage you will get and the more features you will get. So yeah, try 3 times, try to buy S10 Plus because it has all the features. So don't tell me you are gonna just buy S10 Lite, because S10 is better than it if you just save £100 here, like you just see the difference, and that's it. It's so clear, and yeah, you have to just make your choice, and we don't have anything to speak about here. Anyways, I hope you just enjoyed this video, and what I did in this video is just a shortcut of the researching in the internet, so you don't have to research so much. This is the information, I just bring it to you. You could find the sources in the description, and yeah, I just wrote it here and I will put it in the description. So I will see you in the next video if you just subscribe to my channel, and you will hear all the latest tech news, and that's what I just do. Yeah, this is my work here in YouTube, and I hope I will see you in another video. Bye bye.